Thank you for watching Fat Mom's video. You are very welcome to subscribe, like, share, and turn on the bell. See you in the next video.